Today we're looking at a 2013 Dodge Durango with an oil leak. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. My name is Rick Smith and I am a master certified technician. So on this particular car, I'll flip the phone around so you can see. We had a leak coming from the engine oil cooler. Now, in order to get to the oil cooler, which is located down here, kind of in the valley of the engine, we have to remove the upper intake manifold and the lower intake manifold. And then once we get access to that, we have access to the cooler, which sits right down in here. And then it's a matter of removing a coolant hose, a couple of wires, and then unbolting it and taking it out. Now, on this particular car, the oil was leaking down the back of the transmission, or the front of the transmission, I should say, the back of the engine. And sometimes these can be pretty severe leaks because the leak is under pressure, as opposed to some of our other seals and gaskets where it just kind of seeps out. So it gives you a little bit of an idea of what you got to do an oil cooler on a 2013 Dodge Durango. Hope you enjoyed this, and until we meet again, safe travels and blessings to you.